Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make burger sauce without mayonnaise. We'll dive into some fantastic alternatives that deliver incredible flavor and texture. You don't need mayo to achieve a rich, satisfying sauce for your burgers. We'll cover simple ingredients you likely already have, transforming them into something special. Get ready to elevate your burger game with these easy-to-follow recipes and tips. Let's get cooking. For a creamy, mayo-free base, consider Greek yogurt or sour cream. Greek yogurt offers a tangy, thick consistency and is a lighter option. Sour cream provides a rich, smooth texture with a classic tang that pairs wonderfully with savory flavors. Both are excellent starting points. Just add your favorite seasonings like garlic powder, onion powder, a dash of paprika, and a squeeze of lemon juice to create a vibrant sauce. These bases are incredibly versatile. If you prefer a bolder, tangier sauce, explore tomato and mustard bases. Ketchup and tomato paste create a sweet and savory foundation, offering a classic burger sauce profile. Dijon or yellow mustard introduces a sharp, complex flavor that cuts through the richness of a burger. Don't forget to add finely diced pickles or a spoonful of relish for a delightful crunch and an extra layer of tangy goodness. A touch of apple cider vinegar can brighten these sauces further. To perfect your homemade burger sauce, always taste and adjust the seasonings. A pinch of sugar can balance acidity, while a dash of hot sauce adds a welcome kick. Let your sauce chill in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully, resulting in a more cohesive and delicious condiment. Remember to check the description below for the link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other fantastic deals. Enjoy your incredible, mayo-free burger sauce.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.